how to plant okra on lighting. This is okra, 45 days of okra, and I'll be teaching you how you'll become about it and how to plant it. I'll be showing you step by step in each video. I'll be showing you step by step as how we'll be planting it. So like now, this is the place that we've already tilled the place. This is the place that we've softened the place, and we have softened it. We have softened it like to plant it. This is the process of when you want to plant it. This is the process when you want to plant it. So as you can see, this is our seed here. This is the small one that I just bought. It's still inside. We have not opened it. So when you have already tear it like this, you can have your portion that you want to work the okra. You have already tear it like this. Then you come with your manure. The base of to succeed in some agriculture is mostly your manure, natural manure. When you start with it, as you can see, I'll be showing you as how to put the manure, as how to start it, coming as how to work the okra. So this is our manure here. Okay, as you can see, you'll be taking it as how I've tilled it the line. This is the line that I've taken. You measure the line and soften the middle where you'll be planting the okra. Then you take your manure like this and you scatter it on the line, so that when the manure will be entering in the ground, we'll be giving manure fertilizer to the plant to come out in success. As you can see, I'm like pouring it early on the line that I tear, so that it should be soft. You tear this line so that it should be soft, so that the root can move easily, because you cannot just come and just plant it. You cannot just come and soften a small plant and plant it, because the root of it circulates, it moves inside, and it mostly circulates when the soil is soft. So you just tear the line that you'll be planting it. As how you tear it, you throw manure there. You move like this. You don't throw too much manure. You just scatter it but small. You just scatter it but small, like this. When you start a base of okra like this, you are guaranteed that your okra will come out 100% and it will be a success. You know, it's almost like a child that you start very well his nutrition at the base age. You start the child will be very well healthy. So this manure is like the process, so that the okra, when it will come out, it should be very well healthy. And when you will be selling it in the market, so to make money, you will be seeing that your things and your goods will be different from others. So as you can see, I'm throwing the manure, because some people will plant it just like that. You will see the okra will not be having life. It will just be doing a type. But when you do it like that and reach in the market, you will see that your goods will be very well clean and will be very well good than other people that are doing it. And you will see that you have more market on your products to sell. Okay, let me show you how to actually cutting it like this. This is just a small place that I took to show you as how to work it. But you can have a very big land. This is what you will do exactly like this. If it's a big land, just as this one, if it's a big land like this, you will be like tearing it by round in each place. Each place will be having like a block like this one. If was supposed to walk the next step, we can just take it like this and walk the next step there and walk the next step. So okra, they walk it by step by step. So this one step that I just took to show you the process, the base process of it. This is the base process of it. This is the first step. The first step, as you can see, that I'm doing. Okay. You can walk up there and you'll see as I have already thrown the manure in every line that we have thrown the manure. You will see in each line we have thrown the manure. Just move up there and just you'll see each step that we have thrown the manure, because in each softening place we throw the manure so that The manure should be rich to eat. We're throwing the manure. Throwing the manure is the first step. It's the first step that you have to do. Throw the manure. To succeed a farm very well is the base. Because as how the plant take the base, that's how you determine the succeeding of the farm. You cannot say that it's at the middle that you will now fix the plant. No. It's at the base that you succeed the plant. So when you start your base well, that's how your farm will also succeed. That's how it depends as how your farm will also succeed. And I always advise, some people they use excreta of pig, some people use excreta of fowl, some people use fertilizer. But in most of the case, the usual advice people is this manure, this natural one, poultry manure. This poultry manure. So I usually advise, because this one is very rich and it's very natural and it enrich the ground. Why fertilizer have a number of times that it got finished. Why this one is soften the ground and make the ground look loose so that the root can circulate easily. So fertilizer also have its own time. In other videos I'll be teaching you how to put fertilizers and how to, as when you are done with your first step to put the manure there, now you come, you open your seat, this is how it is inside. As you can see, this is a hybrid, this 45-day okra, so you can be turning on it to make money. So this is a 45-day okra. So as how it is like this, you hold it, you plant it 2-2 inside a hole, and you don't, okra is like this, you don't have power to push the ground too much to come out. It's not like corn, it's not like other crop that you can be like right inside the soil and it take time to come out. Okra highest is 5 days, it's already out. They don't put it too much inside the ground. You just like soften a place, just small, you put it, you cover, just like small, and the distance should be like 30 centi. The distance should not be too much. The distance should be like 30 centi. You just shift it. It should not be too much in the ground. You cover. You put it here. You cover. You put it. Don't overthrow ground there so that it should be like this. And I wanted to explain something. Some people, you can water it before planting. But if you are economizing your petrol or the means that you're watering or your energy, you can immediately you finish to plant it like this, you can now water, so that it should immediately is how it's watering, it should be absorbing the water to water the manure, to water the soil, and so that the seed should start absorbing the water. But the immediate the day that the water touches, you start counting from there, and you have to be watering every day. So let's go. You plant it. You are seeing, as you can see guys, I'm not putting too much in the soil. As you can come here a bit, you will see the way I'm putting it. As how it's like this, I just send a little ground on it. As how it's like this, and you are seeing the distance. It's not too much. You estimate your distance, because he like when it's joined within him, so a shelter should be inside. You see, you just throw a little ground on it. You don't put it too much deep in the ground. Any place that is strong, you knock it and you put it, you cover, you go to the next step. So that's how they plant it. Follow for more video and like, so that you see the next step that will be like when it will already be out. Follow for more.